Good morning students. Today is our again the next video class. Today we will learn about the long division method. What is long division method? See here. So this is our question. 8498 divided 10. How can we divide it in the long division method? See here. 10 divided 8, 4, 9, 8. 10 8 ja 80. Then we will take 4, then 9. Now see here how we have solved it. It is 8, 4, 9, 10 and 8, 4, 9 and 8. So 10 divided 84, then we can't divide 84 by 10. So we will take 8 times. It is 80. Then we will minus it from 0. 4 minus 0 minus 4, that is 4. Again we will take there 9 because 4 is not divisible by 10. So again we will take there 9. Now 10 4 that is 40. 40 again we will minus it from 49 because 50 we can't minus from 49. Again we will take the 9 here and again we will take this 8 here. Now 10 9 is 90. That is 98 minus 90. Now that is 8. So this is known as dividend. This is quotient. This is divisor. And this is remainder. So what is this? This is we call dividend. And this is remainder. This is quotient. And this is divisor. So in this way we can solve our division by the long division method. So now we will learn how to verify our answer. See here. We will take a question again. 7, 4, 6, 3 divided 23. 7, 4, 6, 3. Is 74 is divisible by 23? That is no. So we will take 23 into 3. That is 69. Now 14 minus 9, that is 5. Now 6 minus 6, that is 0. Again we will take here 6. Now 23 is a 46. 22 is a 46. That is 0. Again we will minus 5 from 4, that is 1. Now again we will take this 3 here. Now we will minus 103 from the table of 23. Now 24 jump. 24 is equal to 92. That is 3 minus 2, 1. Again we will take 10 minus 9, that is 1. So this is our remainder. This is quotient. This is our dividend. And this is divisor. Now we will verify our answer by this quotient, remainder, divisor and dividend. So how can we verify our answer? So write here at first. Dividend is equal to 7, 4, 6, 3. Quotient is equal to 3, 2, 4. Remainder is equal to 11. And dividend is equal to divisor is equal to, that is 23. Now we will verify our answer with this following. So dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So what is dividend here? That is 7463. Now what is divisor here? That is 23. What is quotient over here? 3, 2, 4. And what is remainder? That is 11. So by solving this, if this both will come equal, then our answer will be verified. If this both will not come equal, then our answer will be not verified. So we will multiply 324 with 23. That is 324 into 23. 12, 1, 7, 9, 8, 4, 6. That is 2, 14 and 1, 7. That is 7, 4, 5, 2. 7, 4, 5, 2. Now we will add with the remainder, that is 11. That is 7, 4, 6, 3. Now these both are equal. So our answer is verified. If this both will be not equal, then our answer is not verified. In this way we will solve our long division method. Thank you.